Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have seen how we can use HTML file in Spring Boot. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use Thymeleaf to generate HTML template and to pass a dynamic content to the HTML file at runtime by using Thymeleaf. You remember that in the last video we have generated this about route. For that we have using HTML file, but now I'm going to convert this into a HTML template. For that, what I have to do, I have to just move this file to the template folder. Here, remember that in template folder I have this file about.html. Remember, I'm just changing the location. In static folder we have a normal HTML file, but in template I have simple HTML file. But right now this HTML file is not a normal HTML file. This HTML file is Thymeleaf HTML file. Remember that. So what is the change and what is the advantage of this that we are going to understand. So if you go on the internet and you say Thymeleaf template like this, so you can go to example of this, any website like this, and you see that if we have this dependency, we have to go to the HTML file for that. So HTML file, you see this is the HTML file here, and this doc type we have, and then in the HTML file we have this tag and we have to add this dependency in your HTML file. So what is this? We will see later on. So just go there, and in this file, because this is the HTML tag, so I paste this here like this. Remember, we already have HTML closing here, and in index also we forgot to write here HTML tag also. Like this, save this. Then here also in about, because we are generating a Thymeleaf template, remember that nothing we are changing, thus we are adding this one. And here you see right now we have a same page, nothing is different, but this is Spring Boot about by Thymeleaf. Okay, and I say welcome to Dr. Vipin classes by Thymeleaf. Remember, save this also. Once again, if I refresh it, you see that what we have to do now, go to home controller, and here we have to change it to like this. Remember that we have to remove the name and we have to say the name of the file. Name file is about.html, so we have to give here about. Remember that. And here also we have this path. Save this, refresh once again. Now you will see that if everything is okay, then I go there and I refresh it. You see this is the error. Now what I have to do, I have to say about like this. And you see an about route I'm giving here, and this about is not changing the name of the URL. Remember that, but earlier it was showing the HTML page, but now it is not showing HTML page. It is directly displaying the template file. Now what is the advantage of this that we have to understand? Remember that if suppose I want to add here some dynamic parameter, what parameter? Suppose in this Dr. Vipin classes, in place of this I want to change the name at runtime. So how can I change? So I am showing the example of Thymeleaf, but it's more one also we will see in later video. But in this video I am telling you that why I'm using this. So I say model here. Remember that this is the model. So this model I have to use from Spring framework UI like this. From this model is there, and here I say model dot add attribute like this, and here I say suppose name, and here I display name is Dr. Vipin like this. I add this. Remember that this is a model name of this, and I add this and I'm calling this. So I go to about. Remember that here. Now in place of this Dr. Vipin classes, I need to replace the parameter which we are passing from this file, this parameter name. So for that, what I have to do, I have to give any particular tag like a strong or any other tag you can use. Then I say th text equal to double quote. Under this I say name, remember, and I close this one, strong tag like this. You see that I'm using this tag. Under the tag I'm using this, so I can use pen tag also, I can use strong tag also, whatever is you like. Then save this. Remember, so this is the name. This name is coming from here, the attribute name, and it will replace this. So if you have like this, I refresh the application, and now if I go to the URL here and I type here about, save, and you see that Dr. Vipin Tewatia is replaced by that value. You see this one. And if in future you want to change the name, suppose I want to change the name to Dr. Vipin classes again, then I save this, then I refresh it once again, and you see after refreshing, if I once again refresh this page, and you will see that Dr. Vipin class is there in place of Dr. Vipin Tewatia. You see, so like that you can pass dynamic value, dynamic things to the HTML page for displaying by using Thymeleaf dependency or library. So I have explained you how to add HTML file, how to add HTML template file in a Spring Boot application. Now in next video we will see how we can add CSS file to these HTML, or how we can add Bootstrap also if you want to add this. So see you in next video for that. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.